This week on Nation's Business, we highlight the major role played by the state and non-government organizations in helping people fight poverty through the creation of small businesses. We show you how micro-businesses are creating a fundamental change in rural communities.
Nakena terida kena bulani bubali nakena ngarabe nakena robule soli kena susun katumberi kena robule soli dan bunibuli
daka mena soli kani koro o sa tarangan utang sa singlo moda tak kani lotu ang garaba tikna lubengu na buli torda kin do tik mesuba do kala siwal tingo tali tak tikno nga bengara bala charangana nungu sanga me puli na be ka ke burtona tambanes di.
Microfinance is the provision of financial services such as loans or savings and training to people with no to low income. It is a proven tool for fighting poverty on a large scale and has assisted many men and women in expanding their businesses. Through their own initiative and drive, and with the support of lending organizations, most low-income earning households are able to make their way out of poverty.
Nila me keme mi soma yani keme sa torilong me keme me gesusu me tini bakata da nondo yana mate mandanga ni saka yengo lebe ke mami sakaroni saka kembali ke bakata da ke bakai tini bakata ni every cycle le top up tiguna limanan rawroto na kambany kembali ke bakai keme mi loan tale na wilwil ni marame kembali sana bia ba rota sabare taktu ana lebu ni lawetu na lomani kor.
Au bagambau takau bagabina katlanga po na matin itu ni raw ni solia nangalala pero nabi kamani bango me basico sumumai ina bulabakor me bueti daga la beti daga kina me bisotari botakina tubutu ni matin itu lebu en valuti ni bolanda bunderwa en nabi sebiti.
In Fiji, there are 3 organizations that assist low-income earners. These are the Microfinance Unit, the South Pacific Business Development, and the National Center for Small and Micro Enterprises Development.
We even continue helping them even if the business failed, because we always tell them that not all the businesses succeed, and sometimes it takes like a series of failure before you can really hit it. Yeah, because we have some of our clients who have been doing this business and then they failed and then put up another kind of business, like they started with canteen, it never went off, then put up another thing like handicrafts, and then move on to another, like maybe sewing, something like that. We are there to help them find the best business for them.
It's all about strengthening the lives of people by empowering them with vital skills needed in running their own businesses. It is through these trainings that valuable lessons are provided to the recipients of the program.
Ni venga una sauti saka sabandoni mbau rongo ditunga kemrongo dani baka nispeapa kemusarabana nispeapa lebune pamadala kemame rongo da na keni pamadala na regioni sona kai tukuni na kambura kina walesi membaleta na kango e baka kemami tula hivi ngame kemami na tuina tunda kuni bi korolele bu kemami seni kelatu bi sona na kai adu kalunga ta bole busara indona tubutu bani matan tungo nironi baka sarang kami lo malibi mata bubal.
Kita suli korbule, tina na onda ulu. Dua ngana ngono lakala mani korongo. Yan ilapo ya kan korbule ngo. Kani na mami bubal, na mami ngoner nonra bulan awati ki mami. Ngarabe bina kana kalak mami. Kimi babi bina kakin. Ngomar ndo kad mai micro Ndor songa ka mai micro.
Nation's Business takes you to the Central Division to witness how women are making a difference in their communities. Many of them are low-income earners or are self-employed market vendors.
Banding din takani volutin din ng bulan rabu dari dani sarmaramer sang tembutu ko semana tahun ni adalah tahun sarapadur menon relabo sara kanya nakakana na besing nakarbolye na labora Simbertu ni dendena ni tu di ke tu sare ni sa tabi na to ni to bol ni labo.
Na ngani se kendo na ituki ndo ndendre menda maro ni labo lai ke ron ndo mbana umui labo le ngaro ndama maro.
In the end, it's actually savings which will pull them through. It's not about access to loans, but it's really their savings. Because one, if they're able to have that savings habit, then they can actually plan for their future.
The microfinance program promotes savings for communities and individuals planning to run their own businesses in the future.
Duana kami nda turang maramanjin. Nira nda sabuki, nda nanjina nonda susomi, nanjina talanga nonda savings. But na savings ni nanjina nonda savings minda maro nonda sende, nakaya nonda lapa weekend ali kuna katu bo. Ena taraita kena bisnis botolo.
Ngono mandango sa ba bina tati ko sa ba klasar chiko na ngono bina ngona bun kana sa ngarabi chiko na matwale pretau li ngono ndo barra bitungai wai ndo le nunu ngono ngo sa ding nunu sa ba bina tun sa bibu ke sar chiko wale buna bisnis kana ngarabi chiko le bale na bisnis
Ambula ni mama ro ila ko o kita mandang vale ranin don mada kita turti ko ni rota ni ruo kina tulan ran don mada ya na ruo kina tulan ro ya selap tunga ni kana sindana kay maro membaleta na rampul na bulnangone si satuta la songo mengaran na song e bararata ka kima mina nambulan ni mami maro ni labo o kami kima ni save.
Other services provided are promoting household savings, assisting in business operations, and basic business training.
Bisnis itu gini, orang ni dona bebu kelebu, yang sarap kali pun bebu kerto kan. Ni lorei batek nak kaki untuk rata basic, taki beyang dona kartu bebu kelebu kinor tu main kena torida pakai torida kita, nani memirau kain basic.
Berto bucu menangon ya metu minggu. Tanpa kena benang menunggu lah untuk lakukan tunga bawa lilia. Sang nindo na puno marro era oken. Yo wa bibin na kali tulong minggo. Menang sinya meto minggo sando kan nunggu marro ta kuna. Yang ini nunggu save ta nunggu lap. Nunggu nana magitu gina sing ni mata ka. Ta bukan nunggu lang.
Main rono dulu kecil, bambu bebe tulu mi mama nembak. Rawat don go vale usakista kana bulo sauche bitu sanga bulundulu vale na 4 bedroom bitu bulundulu o chuna no go fam kanda we ko sumira chuna nangara bachugo ay ubambo ten sabe bitu no bitu no ndulu no bunyangon e tolu tele chuna no ngulong nyangon ko abolia verna bitu no famas doya tulundulu ro ya ndulu nabi ka rawat mi ba bertona microfinance o janga chutal na nungu na case nga ko nga chunga bio sa la ko chunga kina na buliang wana na vie chugum da kana pambote be chunga tul sa bulundul may na tikibunga man na sianga kinundunaka.
Today, there are 7,000 people registered under the microfinance unit, while another 7,000 are registered with the South Pacific Business Development and 3,500 with the microenterprise.
Kila ni yang sarva kalebio na small business ngo medurukina vatori dakta kanungu mbula ni nungu dito bakin business voisi bina nungu susu manu na nungu tete bia banan ro bagara tingo nungu ndalo akaki na nungu sona kalala yo buli takato mai vale na nungu canteen lalai no kesa na small business ngo wa tu sartu ngasin dona ka wakava na small business ngo buke usaranga osi bisa buke sarchinga ngo matabu balango nango
We usa amba giona sa lugali mango. Sa lugali sa 2007 amma tunga vale tititu wala lai. Ini gia do mena microfinance me buki u travel ni na kena roso na kaya lo mani vale. Ndona canteen le lai me tibundol na canteen le lai tuna lesi ni. Utina ke kentinea sarto atos ka tuna bi otro tekna tuna microfinance tu sa nanu me sa ndotel na do kala ni tu zeliu me sa sema me dona extension ko ba sa ni retio
According to the 2008-2009 Income and Expenditure Survey, the total income of households increased from $1.9 billion in 2002 to $3 billion in 2008, after only 5 years. The survey highlighted that at least 3.0% of the country's households earn more than $50,000, and that household incomes were equally distributed between the rural and urban areas, a positive indicator highlighting the growth in microfinance programs. With the focus of alleviating poverty by 2015, government had spent more than $100 million on microfinance development, paving the way for more opportunities for rural dwellers and encouraging them to participate in economic activities.
Another big role for microfinance is it's here to try and defeat poverty maybe, or otherwise to alleviate poverty out there and changing lives within the communities in providing a services that is more accessible and more friendly to them. We've realized too that a lot of our members are now accessing big loans, which we cannot term as microfinance anymore. Most of our clients, we have about 13% of our members who are accessing loans between $3,000 to $15,000, and that exactly shows how successful they have been in terms of whatever micro enterprise that they've started off.
Usaha na katulong ng ulon, doon na matay na dito ng raw, karoon na tulong doon, sila katulong na sinundon. Usaha, doon kan nunggu pabi ni benak, na nunggu sasanga, na nunggu pangangar, uga may sutabi, pero ito na microfinance, ito na FCOS.
Okilani na song-songong ko, endo nga nakaya nga ribo kalib, may tu weekend. Sa ko nga na zaka-zaka pa kukuha, nandina, kinanam daw, wakararong pa kamatua, na biba kasala iso, endur toko titi ko mai na biba kalisilisi.
Kaya baka o mo de tiko na sinrani buki kono microfinance. Kaya baka o na sisenga tiko nindo na no mo talenti, to bole mo pangarana no mo talenti mo. To yo ta kinando na buru-buru ni mambula welavo ona gai atuiada na microfinance era ena singni badala kasi singni ona sema babina ka bategerdo
may nalamani ndo namba kinungulo ne rono undul na luna solibewe may na rono undul au may daka au li rawate ki na limo na undul na savings au rawate yo mana limo na undul ya nakausangay dakawa au bita tikunga indo na undul au withdraw tak may pa na undul may na pa na undul ya au sabang wala sar na pa na undul ya kina fijanul so tal na vitamban na ko na numi meron ni liba tumbur tal tu kinila we pambangan na ponu sabang wala chikina ve ka na itubo-tubo sa tubo na katu membaleta na kaurawata may na microfinance.
Microfinance has been in Fiji since 1998 and is becoming one of the thriving businesses providing opportunities for many low-income earners.
Nimber ni ata may na microfinance may paka ni ndre tu na kasal po ilaban laman kor mindur la katali tu na vi kor tali da kami mindur la boli may kina yan ngon saya to may kinang kon song kon microfinance salure ni boli sa ta ko abo kisarangan laman ni buwan ay para rota kisarang
Bekem ni na maram ni na barong se ni na sarsariti ko na tambanong ko ni alo binaka ni kakuni baka waleta kana norte song na South Pacific Business Development ngo indo na tamban ni bebuke e anga e binaka bekenda menda na baka idora baleta e buke baka libuna non dambula ni bubale na ngono go kenda na tina o kenda na usutule ni bula ni ndo na bubale ni ona baka ngatakara ba binaka ngana no ngauna na no mukilaka kena talenti sati ko beko ngo indo na kabinaka mona baka sangarana kena ngona ngona program mudurkina merani bukena no mubula kena no mubale.